Good morning students, welcome you to the physical science class. Today we are going to learn about separation of substances in a mixture and need for separation. What is a mixture? A mixture is made up of two or more pure substances that are simply mixed together. The different substances present in a mixture are called its components. Mixture can be of solid, liquid or gas. Mixtures can be divided into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures, also known as solution. When you add salt to water, the salt will dissolve completely in water and it forms salt solution. In homogeneous mixtures, individual components cannot be seen clearly. In heterogeneous mixtures, the individual components can be clearly seen. For example, a mixture of rice and stones. Why do we need to separate mixtures? We may need to separate mixtures to remove harmful impurities. The harmful impurities such as dust particles and germs are removed from river water to make it drinkable. Pieces of stone and husk from grains are removed from food to make them edible. It is necessary to separate mixtures to extract a component from other components. Salt is separated from seawater. Petrol, cooking gas and other useful products are recovered from crude oil. It is also essential to separate mixtures to obtain a component in highly pure form. Pure metal, gold is obtained from gold mines. The methods used to separate the components of a mixture are handpicking, sieving, threshing, winnowing, magnetic separation, churning, sedimentation, decantation, loading, filtration, evaporation, condensation and distillation. Handpicking. The method used to remove unwanted substances from a mixture using hands is known as hand picking. It is useful only when the particles are large enough to be seen clearly. Examples for hand separation are: we often use fork to separate tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber, onion in our salad by means of hand picking. Hand picking is used to separate unwanted substances from a mixture using hands. Take a mixture of coriander seeds and rice. The undesirable substances different from the food grains in color, shape or size can easily be separated by hand picking method. Sieving. The method used to separate the components of different sizes in a mixture using a sieve. Sieving is used widely in construction site to separate sand from pebbles. Threshing. Threshing is the method of separating grain from the stalks. Winnowing is a method of separating light particles from heavier particles with the help of the wind. Magnetic separation is a method of separating magnetic particles from other non-magnetic particles. The materials which are attracted by magnets are known as magnetic substances. Iron, nickel and cobalt are separated by means of magnet and they are known as magnetic substances. Materials such as gold, silver and aluminium are not attracted by magnet and they are known as non-magnetic substances. Take two substances, table salt and iron fillings. Mix it well. When two substances are mixed together, it forms a mixture. Table salt and iron filling mixed together and forms a mixture. Iron is a magnetic substance. Table salt is a non-magnetic substance. Magnet can be used to separate iron pieces. In a mixture containing iron filling and table salt, the magnetic property of iron can be used to separate it from non-magnetic substances by using a magnet. Separating solids using a magnet is called magnetic separation. Churning. The method used to separate dissolved solid from a liquid is churning. This method is used to separate butter from curd. The mixture is churned well when solid butter will be collected on the sides of the vessel. Both butter and buttermilk are obtained after churning are useful and can be consumed. Sedimentation. The process in which the heavier insoluble solid settles down in a mixture is called sedimentation. The solid that settles down during sedimentation is called the sediment. Decantation. The process of pouring out the liquid without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. Loading. Loading is the process of making the insoluble solids in a liquid to settle down faster by the addition of specific chemicals. Filtration. Filtration is the process by which very fine insoluble solids can be separated from a solid liquid mixture by passing it through a filtering device. Filtration is used at home to remove tea leaves from tea. Fruit and vegetable juices are also filtered to remove the seeds and pulp. Evaporation. Evaporation is the process of converting liquid into its vapor form. The process in which a liquid changes into its gaseous form at room temperature is called evaporation. Evaporation process is used to separate salt from seawater. Condensation. The process in which a gas changes into its liquid form is called condensation. Steam on cooling becomes water. This process is called condensation. Distillation. The process by which a pure liquid is obtained from a solution by evaporating the liquid and then condensing the vapors is called distillation. The water obtained after distillation is called distilled water. Distilled water is widely used in laboratories and car batteries. Thank you students. I hope that you have understood very well about need for separation and separation techniques used in a mixture. Thank you for watching.